Hello, welcome to Telecommunications. So here we are going to start with a new course series named DMR, that is Digital Mobile Radio. So here in this course we will discuss about what is DMR, what are the benefits of using it and its network architecture and the network component. Here we will also discuss about the call types, the channels and the various terminologies that are linked to DMR. So here in this our very first chapter is Introduction to Digital Mobile Radio. So here in this chapter we will discuss about what is DMR, then we will discuss about the reason behind development of DMR, then we will discuss about the DMR features and the DMR ETSI standards. So let's start with the very first, that is what is DMR. So here as we know that DMR stands for Digital Mobile Radio and it is an international radio standard. So this standard was developed by European Telecommunications Standards Institute ETSI, and this standard was first approved in 2005. So here this standard has a aim to provide a economical, low complexity digital standard and it replaced the analog radio system. So this standard now provide a full set of standards covering voice, data services and the conformance test. So this is about the digital mobile radio. Now let's discuss about the reason behind the development of DMR. So here the reasons are as follow, like it is used to replace the existing analog trunking standard. Here we developed this standard to provide improved voice quality. This standard was developed to provide improved functionality like to get the location information. It is used to provide improved security, like we can also use here the authentication to authenticate the users in the network, and this technology also provide improved channel efficiency with the use of two-slot TDMA technology. So these are the reasons behind the development of DMR technology. Next is DMR history. So here the DMR was developed in Europe by ETSI and it was adopted as commercial standard 20 years ago. So initially the commercial business equipment was the only source of DMR handheld and the mobiles. So in 2016 several vendors entered the ham radio DMR market, and these radios are a bit more affordable and designed to be more ham friendly. So this is the history of the DMR technology. Next are the DMR features. So here the DMR have a multiple features, like it provide a 12.5 kilohertz channel spacing, where we can divide these channel spacing into two by using the two slot TDMA of 6.25 kilohertz. And here it used the two slot TDMA technology, that is time division multiple SS. This increased the capacity and the spectrum efficiency. It also used the modulation technique, that is 4-level FSK, frequency shift keying modulation. Here it used the cutting edge forward error correction technique to correct the error in the network, and it has a high performance and excellent services, and it provides this high performance and excellent services in RF congested urban environment, and here the equipment interoperability is certified by the DMR Association. So these are the features associated with the DMR. The next is the standard. So here the DMR ETSI standard. These ETSI standards defining the DMR primarily consist of 4 documents. The very first document is ETSI TS 1023611. So it named as electromagnetic compatibility and radio spectrum matters digital mobile radio system. Here this part 1 includes the DMR air interface protocol. So the first document includes the information regarding the DMR air interface protocol. After that, the second document is ETSI TS 1023612. It named as Electromagnetic Compatibility and Radio Spectrum Matters Digital Mobile Radio System. This part 2 includes the DMR voice and generic services and facilities information. So this part 2 includes the documentation regarding the DMR voice and generic services and the facilities that is provided by the DMR to the users. Next is the third document, that is named as ETSI TS 1023613. Electromagnetic compatibility and radio spectrum matters digital mobile radio system. This part 3 named as DMR data protocol, and these documents include the information regarding the protocols that are used in the data transmission. Next is the document 4, that is the last document, and it names as ETSI TS 102.3614, and it names as electromagnetic compatibility and radio spectrum matters digital mobile radio system part 4, that is DMR trunking protocol. So it means now this last document includes the protocols regarding the trunking. So here this we will discuss about the trunking. What is trunking in DMR? So here this document includes the information regarding the protocols that are used in the trunking method of DMR. So these are the 4 documents that are defined in the DMR standards. So this is all about the introduction to digital mobile radio. Thank you.